What if I told you that you could eat some of the most delicious foods in the world and actually burn more calories? It sounds completely insane, right? We're talking about the kind of food people in France eat every single day. Creamy yogurt, rich chocolate red wine. For years we've been told these are bad foods, things you have to avoid if you want to lose weight. But what if that was all a lie? What if the French have known a secret about weight loss that the rest of the world is just now figuring out? I went on a mission, digging through tons of scientific studies and talking to nutrition experts to uncover the truth. The answers I found are going to completely blow your mind. We're about to expose 5 specific French foods that contain secret compounds that can actually help your body torch fat. This isn't some gimmick or a crazy fad diet. This is real science that could change the way you look at food forever. Alright, first up on our list is something you probably already have in your fridge: yogurt. But this isn't just any yogurt. We're talking about the rich, creamy, full-fat kind that the French love. For decades, we've been pushed towards low-fat options, but the science actually points in a different direction. Real high-quality yogurt is an absolute powerhouse of protein probiotics. The protein keeps you feeling full for hours, which means you're not reaching for snacks every 30 minutes. It takes your body more energy just to digest protein, which gives your metabolism a little kickstart. It's like a secret workout for your digestive system, but here's where it gets crazy. The probiotics in yogurt are the real superstars. These are live, good bacteria that completely transform your gut health. A healthy gut is the foundation for an efficient metabolism. These tiny microorganisms help your body break down food more effectively and can even reduce inflammation, which is often linked to weight gain. So when you eat a bowl of delicious creamy yogurt, you're not just having a snack. You're sending in an army of microscopic helpers to optimize your body's fat-burning potential. We're talking about a food that tastes amazing and literally helps boost your metabolism. It's the ultimate win-win. Next, we're diving into the rivers of France. For our second calorie-torching food, salmon. This fish is a staple in French cuisine, and for an incredibly good reason. Salmon is absolutely packed with high-quality protein and, more importantly, a massive dose of omega-3 fatty acids. These aren't just any fats, they are essential fats your body can't produce on its own. You have to get them from food, and salmon is one of the best sources on the planet. These omega-3s are like a secret weapon for your metabolism. They work at a cellular level to reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. When your body is more sensitive to insulin, it's better at using the food you eat for energy instead of storing it as fat. Think of it like this: omega-3s are the traffic cops for your body's energy system, directing calories to be burned for fuel instead of getting stuck in a fat storage traffic jam. Studies show a diet rich in these fatty acids can significantly increase your resting metabolic rate. That means you're burning more calories even when you're just sitting on the couch watching this video. It's a true fat-burning food that makes your body more efficient. Okay, for our third food, we're getting into something that is, honestly, the definition of a superfood. But it costs almost nothing. I'm talking about lentils. In France, lentils are used in everything from hearty soups to elegant salads. These tiny legumes are one of the most powerful foods you can eat for weight management, and here's why. They are loaded with 2 critical things: plant-based protein and an insane amount of fiber. The combination of these 2 is like a 1-2 punch against hunger and slow metabolism. The protein, as we know, helps you feel full and boost your calorie burn through digestion. But the fiber is where the real magic happens. Lentils are full of soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance in your stomach. This dramatically slows down digestion, keeping you feeling satisfied for an incredibly long time. No more mid-afternoon energy crashes or cravings for junk food. On top of that, this fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which, as we learned with yogurt, is crucial for a healthy metabolism. It's also amazing for your fiber power and has been shown to support heart health by helping to lower cholesterol. Lentils are cheap, delicious, and turn your body into a fat-fighting, fiber-fueled machine. Get ready for this one, because it's the one you've been waiting for. Our fourth food is dark chocolate. Yes, you heard me right. The French have mastered the art of enjoying chocolate, and science is finally catching up to their wisdom. Specifically, we're talking about high-quality dark chocolate, with 70% cocoa or more. This isn't your average candy bar. This is a superfood disguised as a dessert. Dark chocolate is overflowing with powerful compounds, flavonoids, other antioxidants. These antioxidants are incredible for your overall health, fighting off damage from free radicals in your body. But here's the mind-blowing part for weight loss. Certain compounds in dark chocolate, like theobromine, act as a mild stimulant that can give your metabolism a gentle nudge. Some studies suggest the monounsaturated fats in dark chocolate can help rev up your fat-burning engines. It can also improve your mood by boosting serotonin levels, which can reduce stress eating. So a small piece of dark chocolate isn't just a treat, it's a strategic tool. It satisfies your sweet tooth while providing your body with nutrients that can genuinely support your weight loss goals. And finally, we've arrived at our fifth and most controversial food, red wine. And finally, we've arrived at our fifth and most controversial food, red wine. And finally, we've arrived at our fifth and most controversial food, red wine. In France, a glass of red wine with dinner is a cultural cornerstone, not a guilty pleasure. And while excessive alcohol is obviously terrible for you, a massive body of research suggests that red wine, in moderation, can have some shocking health benefits. The key is a powerful antioxidant called resveratrol, which is found in the skins of red grapes. The key is a powerful antioxidant called resveratrol, which is found in the skins of red grapes. Resveratrol has been studied for its incredible potential to improve heart health. Resveratrol has been studied for its incredible potential to fight inflammation. It's a true champion for your cardiovascular system. But how does this help you burn calories? Well, some fascinating studies have suggested that resveratrol can help prevent the formation of new fat cells and can also activate a specific gene linked to longevity and fat metabolism. It may help convert regular white fat into beige fat, which is more metabolically active and easier for your body to burn off. Now, this is the most important part. Moderation is everything. We are talking about one small glass, not the whole bottle. When enjoyed responsibly, a glass of red wine can be part of a healthy lifestyle that supports heart health and your metabolism. So there you have it. 5 absolutely delicious French foods that science says can actually help you burn more calories. Yogurt, salmon, lentils, dark chocolate, red wine. It just goes to show losing weight doesn't mean you have to eat boring, tasteless food. The French have known this for centuries, and now, so do you. By incorporating these foods into a balanced diet, you can enjoy what you eat while turning your body into a more efficient fat-burning machine. The key takeaway is to focus on food quality. Real whole foods with powerful nutrients are always going to beat processed junk. This isn't about a restrictive diet. It's about making smarter, more delicious choices that work with your body, not against it. Imagine a diet where you actually look forward to every single meal. Now the power is in your hands to build a healthier, happier, and tastier lifestyle. Which of these foods are you most excited to try first? Are you going for the creamy yogurt or the decadent dark chocolate? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and want to see more mind-blowing science-backed diet hacks, do me a huge favor. Like, subscribe, and comment which food you'll try first. It helps the channel more than you know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. More science-backed diet hacks every week.